Ever look at the plants in a rainforest and wonder how they grow so big and vibrant? It's not just luck, it's the perfect mix of conditions. Today, I'm going to show you how to transform your home into a tropical paradise so your plants don't just survive, they absolutely thrive. Many popular houseplants like calatheas, ferns, anthuriums, and orchids come from the rainforest understory, where the air is thick with moisture. Inside our homes, heating and air conditioning strip the air of this essential humidity, leading to crispy leaf edges and stunted growth. The fix: increase the humidity around your plants. Humidifier. The most effective method is to use a humidifier, aiming for a consistent 60 to 80% humidity. Group therapy. Plants release moisture through their leaves, so grouping them together creates a natural microclimate that traps humidity. Strategic placement. Bathrooms and kitchens are naturally more humid, perfect spots for tropical plants. Pebble trays. For a simple boost, place plants on a pebble tray filled with water. As the water evaporates, it creates a pocket of humidity right where the plant needs it most. In the rainforest, tall trees create a canopy that filters sunlight. Plants like monsteras, philodendrons, and peace lilies grow on the forest floor, accustomed to this bright but indirect light. Placing them in direct sun indoors can scorch their leaves, while too little light leaves them leggy and dull. The fix: replicate that soft, filtered light. Window choice. Place your plants near an east or north-facing window for gentle morning light. Sheer curtains. Think of sheer curtains as your personal canopy, diffusing harsh afternoon sun. Grow lights. During darker winter months or in low-light rooms, supplement with a full-spectrum grow light for 6 to 8 hours a day. Rotate. To ensure even growth, give your plants a quarter turn every week. In the wild, rainforest soil isn't dense clay. It's a mix of loose, decomposing leaves and bark. This airy environment is perfect for roots, allowing for both oxygen and moisture absorption. Standard potting soil can compact over time, suffocating roots and leading to root rot. The fix: create a custom soil mix. The perfect mix: blend potting soil with orchid bark, perlite, and cocoa coir. This combination mimics the loose, well-aerated structure of the rainforest floor. Nutrient boost. For long-term health, top-dress your plants with a thin layer of worm castings. They provide a gentle, slow-release dose of nutrients, just like decomposing matter in nature. Rainforests are wet, but the water drains quickly, so roots are never left sitting in stagnant water. Overwatering is the #1 killer of houseplants, leading to root rot, but underwatering can cause just as much stress. The fix: water thoroughly and strategically. Watering technique: water your plants deeply until water drains from the bottom of the pot. Then, wait. Allow the top inch of soil to dry out before you water again. Drainage is key. Always use pots with drainage holes. This simple feature is essential for preventing waterlogging and protecting roots. Moisture check. Before you water, stick your finger or moisture meter into the soil to check its moisture level. Many rainforest plants like monsteras and climbing philodendrons are natural climbers. They use aerial roots to cling to tree trunks as they grow toward the light. Without this vertical support, their leaves stay small and their growth slows down. The fix: give them something to climb. Moss poles and trellises. Provide a moss pole or a trellis for your vining plants. Secure the vines with soft plant ties and keep the moss pole damp. This encourages aerial roots to attach, which is key to larger leaf size. The temperature in a tropical rainforest stays consistently warm with minimal fluctuation. Sudden cold drafts or temperature drops can shock and stress your plants. The fix: maintain a stable temperature. Temperature range. Keep your tropical plants in a stable environment, ideally between 18 to 27 degrees Celsius, 65 to 80 degrees Fahrenheit. Placement: avoid placing them directly next to cold windows, air conditioning units, or heating vents. Extra warmth. For plants that need a little more warmth, a small heat mat under the pot can keep their roots cozy. Still air is a breeding ground for pests like fungus gnats and mold. In the wild, a constant, gentle breeze keeps the air moving. The fix: create a light breeze. Small fan. Place a small fan in your plant room on a low setting to keep the air circulating. Spacing. Don't overcrowd your plants. Giving them space allows for better airflow, which helps prevent pests and fungal issues. A bonus of this airflow is that it mimics the wind in the wild, helping your plants develop stronger, more resilient stems.